Hey there, so today I'm going to quickly talk about how to roll the bottom of your feet. So you have all kinds of fascial endings and tendons and things that run down along the bottom of your feet, like this. So if those things get really tight, it's going to limit your dorsiflexion, or the way that your ankle can move, like that. So we're using a lacrosse ball, or you can also use a golf ball. Essentially, you're just going to start by rolling along the bottom of your foot. Apply up to 50% of your body weight onto the ball. And as you find a juicy bit or adhesion, a real tight spot, you're then going to apply steady pressure. As always, our general rules of thumb follow. So we have a general survey across the bottom of our foot, going back and forth. So I'm literally just rolling up and down along the side of my foot or the bottom of my foot. When I find a good spot or a juicy spot, I'm going to apply general pressure onto that spot. Over time, it's going to start to soften. So it's going to start really firm and it's going to eventually give way a little bit. Once it gives way a little bit, just going to add range of motion. So I'm just curling and extending my toes over top of the ball. I can also try and play the piano a little bit with my toes. Over time that will break down, at which point we'll move on to the next side. I suggest you set a timer for 1 minute to 2 minutes per foot and work your way through that as best you can. After that, go over to the other side and do the exact same thing. So we start with that general survey, press and hold, find good sore spots. Once it releases, we add range of motion, play the piano a little bit, and then move on. So that's how you roll the bottom of your foot.